The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a timeless icon of automotive design, blending German engineering with Italian styling to create one of the most elegant cars ever produced. Introduced in 1955, the Karmann Ghia was a product of collaboration between Volkswagen, the German coachbuilder Karmann, and the renowned Italian design house Carrozzeria Ghia. The result was a sleek and stylish coupe that stood apart from Volkswagen's more utilitarian offerings, such as the Beetle. Built on the same platform as the Beetle, the Karmann Ghia shared many of its mechanical components but featured a completely unique body that exuded sophistication and refinement. With its flowing curves, low stance, and distinctive chrome accents, the Karmann Ghia immediately captured the attention of car enthusiasts worldwide. Unlike the Beetle's practical and boxy design, the Karmann Ghia was all about aesthetics. Its sculpted body panels were hand-finished by Karmann's skilled craftsmen, ensuring a level of precision and beauty rarely seen in mass-produced vehicles. The attention to detail extended to the interior, where high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout made the car feel more premium than other Volkswagen models of the time. Under the hood, the Karmann Ghia was powered by the same air-cooled, rear-mounted flat-4 engine found in the Beetle. Early models featured a 1.2-liter engine producing a modest 36 horsepower, but as the years went by, Volkswagen introduced more powerful variants, with later models boasting up to 60 horsepower from a 1.6-liter engine. While not built for speed, the Karmann Ghia delivered a smooth and enjoyable driving experience, thanks to its lightweight design and well-balanced chassis. It became a favorite among those who valued style and comfort over outright performance. The Karmann Ghia was offered in two body styles, a coupe and a convertible. The convertible, introduced in 1957, further enhanced the car's appeal by offering open-top motoring with the same level of elegance as the coupe. Both versions retained the Beetle's dependable and easy-to-maintain mechanical setup, making the Karmann Ghia a stylish yet practical choice for everyday driving. Owners appreciated its reliability, fuel efficiency, and the fact that it turned heads wherever it went. Throughout its production run, which lasted until 1974, the Karmann Ghia underwent several updates, including revised bumpers, improved lighting, and minor changes to the interior. However, the overall design remained largely unchanged, a testament to its timeless appeal. By the time production ended, over 445,000 units had been built, making it one of Volkswagen's most successful specialty models. The Karmann Ghia was eventually succeeded by the Volkswagen Scirocco, a more modern and performance-oriented coupe. Today, the Karmann Ghia remains a highly sought-after classic car, with enthusiasts and collectors cherishing its unique blend of beauty and practicality. Restored examples command strong prices, and the car enjoys a dedicated following worldwide. Whether seen at vintage car shows or cruising along scenic roads, the Karmann Ghia continues to captivate admirers with its timeless design and effortless charm. It stands as a shining example of what happens when engineering and artistry come together to create something truly special. I've written a detailed script for a YouTube video about the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, focusing on its history, design, performance, and legacy. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments or additions.